Hey guys, so you've read the title, right? Yeah, this is some sadness, and yeah, let's talk. Let's go. Yes, I'm taking a break from YouTube, and this is absolutely necessary. It's for a good reason. Before I give you guys a reason, I wanna tell you a short story, okay, of how I got my dream job in Canada. No worries, the story is gonna lead to the reason. So the story begins. Yeah, I got hired at a greenhouse. I'm not gonna say its name or the manager's name. When I mean the manager, I mean my ex-boss. Okay, so yeah, I got hired over there. I worked with the grower, and I was kind of like an assistant grower. Okay, it was okay. It was nice. Uh, yeah. So then I got fired. Yeah. How did I get fired? Why? It's for a good reason. No worries, it's coming. So I'm doing my job. I'm trying to be better, trying to be a better worker. I'm going faster than I used to be, and then I get called, by the manager into an empty room, and yeah, he was like, Douglas, I can't do this anymore. Like, I've tried, I've tolerated. Yeah, now that I think about it, it's starting to sound like it was a breakup. Good thing he didn't say, It's not you, it's me." So, yeah, he used the classic way of firing someone, calling them into an empty room or whatever. But, yeah, the reason he fired me was because yeah, he said I was too friendly and unproductive. Yeah, he was always, before he fired me, he was always telling me about production, efficiency, whatever. And then I was like, okay, maybe to increase production over there, I gotta go faster. So I try to be better. I try to just focus on the job. So yeah, I was doing my best at it, and I guess he didn't see that. So, anyways, that's that's why I got fired. Okay, so this is a message in case you ever see this video, Mr. Manager. I want to say F you. Okay, I mean that in the nicest way and friendliest way possible. Okay. Also, I want to say thank you too, because you've made me realize my goals. Okay, I have so many goals. And you've made me realize that I should focus on one. Okay, take one goal at a time. Okay. um Someone, a pretty talented person on Instagram, once asked me. She was like, yo, not you, like, she said, what's your goal for 2020 or 2021? I don't remember a specific question. And I said, I'm not sure. Then in a split second, I said, I need a car. I want to get a car by the end of this year. And then I said, after that, I want to be successful I want to be a successful entrepreneur. And yeah, so that's what I thought about. And now I think about it, and I definitely need to get a car. For those of you who live in Abbotsford, you already know how the transit here sucks ass. I mean, it's so bad. It's crazy. Like, as an entrepreneur, I'm not a successful one. So as an entrepreneur, what is very important to you is time. And taking the bus all the time and biking, walking, it sucks time. So I basically need to recover some time to, increase production for myself. Yeah, boohoo, manager. I want to increase production for myself. Okay, so I basically need a car, which is my goal. And yeah, that leads us to the reason. Okay, now getting to the reason. So okay, after I got fired, I sent out my resumes. I want to keep paying the bills. I want to keep paying my gym membership plan, just to keep being fit. And so I finally got a job, a new one, which is great. It's it's high, it's a great pay. So it's a construction job, and yeah, probably gain my muscle doing that stuff because it's a hard job. Anyways, it's also gonna take so much of my time. Like it's a 12 to 14 hour job. So probably when I'm done working in a day, like I'm just wasted and completely tired, and I have to prepare again for the next day. So that explains why I'm taking a break from YouTube, because the job starts tomorrow, Wednesday, and I have to yeah, focus on getting a car first. Okay, yeah, that's why I'm taking a break from YouTube, and yeah, like I said, it's absolutely necessary. If you follow me on Instagram, you understand what I'm saying now, because sometimes you have to take, we have to make sacrifices in order to fulfill our goal. Okay, so yeah, I'm making my sacrifice now, and it's a very sad one, unfortunately, but it's necessary. Um, yeah. Anyways, I'll always be active. I'll still be active on Instagram, Facebook. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm on Snapchat now. I'm still getting used to the features and stuff, but you can add me up on Snapchat. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the links of my other social media platforms in the description too. So also to be on the screen, okay? I like doing that. Anyways, yeah, so I'll try my best to keep posting on Instagram and Facebook and social media. Not a lot though. It's not Snapchat, not a lot. I'm still getting used to that stuff. But yeah, I won't be as active as I used to be, because I don't have much time. So yeah, as an entrepreneur, time is very important. So like, as you can tell, I'm not a successful one, but we definitely um, we definitely love our time and all. Like, it's very important to us. So that's why yeah, that's the reason why. Okay, it's 7 minutes. That's great. Anyways, thank you once again for listening to me, and yeah, so I guess that's it. I guess that's all I wanted to say. I hope you guys understand. Oh, before I forget, I'm also canceling my gym membership until September. Yeah, that's I won't have time to be working out too, cause it's I won't have time, and paying stuff that I'm not using, it's not great, right? So I'll continue it on September. I just need to figure out um, my classes for the next semester, which is gonna be my last semester. So, anyways, that's so I'm not sure when I'm even gonna resume YouTube. I just need to figure out, uh, how it's gonna be in the next semester. But I'll notify you guys on social media, so you make sure to follow me and keep in touch. Also, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for listening again, and Mr. Manager, thank you for thank you for watching too. If you stayed till if you ever see this video, yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna miss making YouTube video, but I'll come back and I'll be better. Okay, I just need to. If you've been watching my recent videos, you notice that like, I'm not my recent videos, like my past videos, the quality and all, it's not great, right? So I need I'm gonna get a camera, I'm gonna get good lighting, artificial ones, right? Also, yeah, that's necessary, and this is necessary too. My recent video that I uploaded, the what was it? Was it the bicep one, right? I rushed it. I didn't have time, and yeah, so that's why I said time is very important to me. Yeah, I made the video on Friday. I started doing the editing on Saturday night. So I went to bed around 3 a.m. and then I woke up around 5, 6, and continued editing on Sunday morning until I posted it. So until I uploaded it. So that's why I need more time to myself, you know. So I hope you guys understand this, and yeah, thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much, and I'll miss making YouTube videos for sure, but I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be better. Yeah. All right then. Bye.